Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by tuning to standard E. Make sure your guitar rings cleanly. First, learn the M, C, G, and D shapes because they form the song's backbone. Once done, set a metronome to 60-70 BPM and practice a slow strum pattern, down, down, up, down, up. You should switch chords with deliberate economy, move fingers along the shortest path. Because you're building muscle memory, repeat changes in 30-second bursts. This accelerates timing and reduces tension in your wrist. You now connect rhythm and lead. Play the progression M to C to G to D for 4 bars each and count every beat. Once comfortable, add simple fills on the high E string, hammer-ons and pull-offs between frets 3 and 5 to echo the vocal line. Make sure to match dynamics. Play softly in verses, then push the attack into the chorus so the song breathes. If timing drifts, slow the metronome by 10-15 BPM and isolate the treble bar until it locks in. You finish by rehearsing full song runs and recording at least one take. Listening back reveals timing, tone, and phrasing errors you can fix. Once done, refine tone. If it sounds muddy, lift your thumb off the low strings, reduce bass on amp, or tighten the pick attack. Make sure to polish the ending so chord changes land on the vocal cues. If things go wrong, isolate the problematic rhythm or transition, loop it slowly, and increase speed by 5-10% only after clean repetitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.